My name's Dolmage. I'm a professor of English at the University of Waterloo. I also am the founding editor of the Canadian Journal of Disability Studies, and I focus on the ways that we talk about disability, but also the ways that disabled people reshape the conversation around disability. We should all care to make our society more accessible because we're all going to need that accessibility. I kind of grew up in the disability rights movement in Ontario and in Canada. And that involved in the beginning fighting for my brother's right to go to school with my sister and I. People with disabilities are left out and they're excluded from schools, from higher education, where their input really matters. Disability studies as a field is relatively young. That's been my life's work, trying to make space for the field to grow, right? Make space for other people's voices. My hope is that disability becomes a central question in all of these different fields. If we make it more accessible, then it's more democratic, it's more inclusive for everybody.